Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can play your YouTube in background on iPhone. What you need to do is just go to your settings, and after going to settings you need to go to your general, and after going to general you see that there is an option picture in picture. Just tap on it. Make sure you have enabled this option start PIP automatically here. iPhone doesn't have any built-in option where you can actually run the YouTube on background. You need to install a third-party app. You just need to go to your app store, and you need to download this app which is UPIP. You need to type here YUBEPIP. PIP means picture in picture. It's a player. Here's the app. You need to download this app. After downloading this app, you need to open it up, and then you can search. It will open up your random YouTube, and then you can search any of your video like this. For example, let's play this video. Let's play this video.
Hello, my so red flags. My name is.
Now if you see, if I go like this, there's an option button here which is picture in picture. Just tap on it and the video will come up here. So I can swipe up, I can do my work, and the video is still here. I can play the video like this, and at the same time I can work on my WhatsApp, or I can do other things. Okay, so that's how you can actually adjust the YouTube and run it on a background while doing your work. You need to install this app. I'll show you again. You need to install this app, YouTube Pip. It will solve your issue. I hope this video helping out and solving your issue. This is for iOS 18.4, and all previous softwares are outdated. If you need more videos like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next video, bye bye.